Goodbye black roots and brassiness, and hello cuteness in 3 steps. You'll need a pair of gloves to protect your hands and your skin, bleach that can lift up to 7 levels, strong developer. I'm using a 40 because I know my hair can't handle it, and anything less does not make sense to me. A toner. This is my first time using toner, and I'll be using the T18 by Wella. I'll be mixing that with a 30 volume developer. An intense protein treatment that can stop breakage and help rebuild your hair. A really hydrating deep conditioner to re-add moisture into my hair after the protein treatment, since the Aphogee protein treatment is going to be so intense. And a mixing bowl and an application brush. I mixed 2 parts bleached with 1 part developer, so that's like about 4 scoops of bleach and 2 scoops of developer. I'm applying it to freshly washed hair. I washed my hair before applying the bleach to take out the excess body, and I find when I do that, the application is a lot easier and I use a lot less product. I'm only going to apply it to the roots of my hair for this first application. For this first application, I'm going to bleach the front of my hair first, then I'm going to bleach the back of my hair. I'm doing it this way because, as you can see, as I'm applying the bleach to the second half of my head, the first part has already started to change color. So if I was to apply bleach to my entire head, it would be multicolored, obviously, because bleach would have been on certain parts longer than others. Once the first half of my hair gets to its desired color, I'm going to rinse it with warm water and repeat the process at the back of my head. Once that gets to its desired color as well, I'm going to also just rinse my entire head and go in for the second application. So as you can see, my hair is very orange, very multicolored, so I'm going to go in now with a second application, and this time around I'm just going to apply it to my entire head one time. And this bleach should take out a lot of the orangeness and take my hair up to like a level 7, so like a yellowy, like a pale yellow. Now, I prefer to bleach my hair in multiple applications, and if you aren't accustomed using bleach, I would suggest you bleach it in multiple applications as well. So I rather put bleach on my hair for 15 minutes and rinse it out and reapply more bleach if I need to, than leaving bleach on my hair for like a whole hour. It is also very, 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 very hard to go from black to platinum, okay? So I know that my roots are not going to be the same color as the ends of my hair, because the roots of my hair was virgin hair, it was jet black, and the ends of my hair were previously bleached. I have a video on that, I'll link it below so you can check that out. Now, after I finish reapplying bleach to my roots, I'm now going to go and apply bleach to the ends of my hair to get them a bit lighter. So I'm going to repeat the same process at the back of my hair, and when that's finished, I'm going to rinse my entire head with warm water. And this is how my hair looks. It's a cool tone yellow. Now, just so we're clear, I have absolutely no problem rocking my hair like this. Actually, I really like this color. But to neutralize some of the yellows and get rid of some of the brassiness, I'm going to be trying a toner for the first time. I'll be using the Wella Color Charm in color T18. I'm going to apply it all over my head like I did the bleach from roots to end, and we'll see how it goes. When I started applying the toner to the back of my hair, I started to think, okay, maybe I should have applied bleach to the back of my hair a third time, because the bleach in the second application in the back of my hair didn't stay in as long as the front of my hair, because I did the entire head one time. You see now why I recommend bleaching your hair in sections, so it's more even. So the toner stained my hair a little purple, but I found this color remover in the back of my hair cabinet and I decided to use it. I've had this color remover for about 4 years. You know those products that you buy, you use one time and then you shove it to the back of your cupboard? But luckily it came in really handy, so I just rubbed it on my hair kind of like in a scrubbing motion, but not too rough, and it removed a lot of the purple. I let this sit in my hair for about 10 minutes under a shower cap. Then I rinsed it. I washed my hair with the Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. And now it's time for the protein treatment. Now, after you've bleached your hair, it is very, very, very important to use a protein treatment to try to rebuild your hair and stop it from breaking even further. So I am going to be using the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. It's a really strong protein treatment for extremely damaged hair. I use it every time I bleach my hair and it keeps my curls intact. I have a video on it, a more in-depth detailed video on this protein treatment. I'm going to link it below and you can also check that out. But the way this protein treatment works is you apply it all over your hair. You can see my curls kind of snapping back already, right? You apply it all over your hair, then you have to blow dry it. It is activated by heat. The only way the protein treatment is activated is if you use some heat, and you know it gets really dry and crispy. When your hair gets really dry and crispy, do not touch it, don't comb it, don't try to manipulate it, because at this point it can break. When my hair got to this point, after I finished blow drying my hair, I decided to like clip some of my dead ends. And then you just rinse your hair with warm water and you go in with the balancing moisturizer. The balancing moisturizer is a part of the protein treatment kit. So you apply the balancing moisturizer to kind of re-add moisture into your hair. But the balancing moisturizer don't be enough moisture for me, so I always go in with a deep conditioner, and this is the final step. As you can see, the purple is gone completely from my hair between the protein treatment, the balancing moisturizer, and the deep conditioner that helped to remove any purple that lingered after the color remover. And this is how my hair looks now. I am really pleased with the look. I didn't want my hair to be like 100% platinum, so I like the different shades. I like how my roots are a bit darker than the ends. No. And look how my curls are intact. Like I'm so pleased. Now I'm gonna go with my leave-in conditioner and my curl defining cream by ORS Curls Unleashed, and that is it. Now, if you guys like the color of my hair, if you liked this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If it's your first time here, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.